Is your Playwright script failing because the element is inside an iframe? So in this video I will show you almost all the ways to handle frames in Playwright Java. So let's get started. I have taken one frames class under demo project, and in the main function I have declared Playwright class object Playwright with small letters equal to playwright.create, and then I have declare one browser object to initialize the browser Chromium browser. Then I have declared one page object uh, to create one page in the browser, and then I have navigate to one website that I have created by myself from cloud to handle all the locators. This is for QA practice. So I have just go to that website, that is a index.html. It's on my side, and pay.locator. Then I have click on miscellaneous frame menu item is there, dot click button, and I am showing you the first way. I have declared the frame class, and the object is frame equal to pay.frames.getOne, because there may be multiple frames, but on that page only one frame. And on the first frame, just find out the locator. There is a input box is there, and we have to write down something like a Playwright Beginners. So I just run the application, and the output is like miscellaneous frame page is open, and in this the input box Playwright Beginners. Now I am coming to the second way. The second way is I have declared I have taken the locator class, and the object is iFrame, and I have passed pay.locator, and I have given the iFrame only the tag name only. Then I have declared one class frame, and then object frame1, and with the locator dot element handle iframe dot element handle dot content frame, and with that frame dot locator there is an input box, and I have filled with hello playwright 11, and I just run the application. Again miscellaneous frames menu is clicked, and the page is open, and with the frame is there, and there is an input box where the value is written hello playwright 11. So I am coming to the third way. In the third way I have declared I have taken one locator class, and the object iframe2, and assign pay.locator, and I have given the id of the frame. And then again I have declared frame I have declared one object of frame class frame2, and I assign iframe2 dot element handle dot content frame. Then I have used frame2 dot locator input and dot fill, and I have write down hello playwright 22, and click on the button itself. Button is, so I have run the application, and again the QA practice site open, written hello playwright 22, and button is also clicked. And in the fourth way I have just used the frame locator. So I have used page.frame locator, and I have given the id of the frame, then dot locator, and I have given the id of input locator dot fill, and I have given playwright 33, and again I execute. QA practice site open with the miscellaneous frame page is open, and in the input box playwright 33 is written. So that's the way frames are handling here. Congratulations, you are just mastered frame handling in Playwright Java. Keep building your automation skills, and I will help you master Playwright one video at a time. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.